welcome back to SysTech. Do you like the PDF documents with watermarks? Can you enjoy your reading? No? This video is for you. I'll show you how to remove the watermarks from PDF documents quickly and easy. Open the terminal, install the required package PDFTK. Sudo apt install PDFTK. I already have 0 upgraded, 0 newly installed, nothing to remove, so we are ready to go. Here is our document annoying.doc. The command is PDFTK, input file annoying.pdf and output clean.pdf. You can give any name and uncompress it so that you can edit it. Done. Clean.pdf is here. Now we can verify, is there any watermark? Yes, right now we just uncompress the file. It is naturally there. Let us remove it. To remove the watermarks, you need to edit it with any text editor. I am using Notepad++. Watermarks are marked with different words, but one of them is X OBJ. Let us find it. X OBJ. Find X. Okay. Now try to understand. See, subtype form, type X object, resource 3 and whatsoever, and the length is 27878. I am going to remove this. This is gone. Let us find another one. Is this one? No. Find next. Okay, it is here. Subtype form, length is also the same thing. We removed it. Let us find it again because these are 3 pages. Once again we found it. Remove this. Go to the beginning of your document and let us try again. Control F. XOBJ. Nothing. Okay. Fine. Save this file. Close this. Open the file. Okay. There is no watermark on page 1. Nothing on page 2. Same the page 3. Now we can compress the file again. The command is PDFTK. Now we shall input clean.pdf and output final.pdf and compress it. Done. Now let us try to open with some text edit. Now it is difficult to read. Yeah, something is here but difficult. Okay guys, that's all. If you found this video helpful and informative, please subscribe, share and comment. Looking forward to see you on this channel. Once again, stay blessed. Thank you so much.